Personal injury attorney in Milwaukee. Types and what should you do after an accident? If you or a loved one has been injured due to the negligence of another party, you may be entitled to compensation for your damages. This compensation can help you pay for medical bills, lost wages, and other expenses related to your injury. However, navigating the legal system on your own can be difficult, which is why it's important to hire a personal injury attorney in Milwaukee. In Milwaukee, there are several law firms that specialize in personal injury cases. These firms have personal injury attorney in Milwaukee who are experienced in handling a wide range of personal injury cases, including car accidents, slip and falls, medical malpractice, and more. Let's discover with us. Personal injury accident types. Personal injuries can occur in a variety of circumstances and are often the result of careless or negligent behavior on the part of other people. Some of the most typical scenarios and types of personal injury accidents include car accidents. This covers a wide range of collisions, from fast collisions to collisions caused by intoxicated or distracted driving. The personal injury attorney in Milwaukee are ready to fight for the compensation you deserve on behalf of accident victims in many different sorts of cases. Motorbike accidents. Because riders are only protected by their helmets and whatever other protective gear they may be wearing, they are among of the most dangerous traffic accidents. These collisions frequently cause fatalities or severe injuries. Truck accidents. Due to the pressure to fulfill arbitrary deadlines, truck drivers are more likely to speed, drive while fatigued, and engage in other risky behaviors. The occupants of these enormous vehicles may perish or have seriously damaging injuries when they collide with considerably smaller passenger vehicles. A personal injury attorney in Milwaukee are aware of how complicated these issues are. Slip and fall accidents. These can occur anywhere, from parking lots to commercial centers to public spaces like parks and swimming pools. These mishaps can be caused by a variety of factors, such as snow and ice, wet floors, debris, or poor illumination. Although they may seem like insignificant mishaps, they can result in months or years of anguish. Abuse in nursing homes. The personal injury attorney in Milwaukee are experienced in handling matters of this complexity. They are aware of the devastating impact the discovery of elder abuse on a family may have. Product failure accidents. Customers may have a claim against the producer, designer, or another entity in the chain of distribution when they are hurt while using a product as it was meant to be used. Medical malpractice. These are some of the time-consuming and most difficult instances. They involve a variety of forms of carelessness on the part of medical staff members who are entrusted with protecting their patients' well-being. Dog biting. Dog bites can result in serious injuries that may last a long time. In cases, the owner might be responsible for the harm the victim sustains. For a free, no-obligation legal consultation, people who have sustained a personal injury in one of these scenarios or another are urged to get in touch with a personal injury attorney in Milwaukee. What should you do after a personal injury? There are numerous actions that can be performed after a personal injury to start constructing a case against the party who caused the injury. Many people are unaware that what they do immediately following an injury might significantly affect their ability to obtain just compensation. Injury victims should seriously consider taking the following actions. Getting medical treatment. Get examined as soon as you can by a qualified medical expert who can evaluate you and identify all of your injuries and symptoms. The sooner you finish this, the better. When the case is reviewed by the insurance companies and defense lawyers for the opposing party, they will learn when therapy was sought. If the plaintiff's treatment is delayed, it may be argued that they were not actually injured and are only seeking recompense. They might also claim that the incident at hand wasn't the only reason the victim was hurt. Tell the doctor exactly how the injury occurred. They will make a note of it in the medical records, which could be crucial evidence in the case. Collecting evidence at the scene. Gathering evidence can be beneficial. Photographing the scene of the accident and documenting any dangers or barriers that might have contributed to the event are both beneficial. It may be helpful to your attorney if you take pictures of the wounds and any garment damage. Making a stronger case can be accomplished by jotting down the events while they are still fresh in the mind, speaking with witnesses, and taking notes on what they saw.